Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about our group project, which is ScienceDirect. This is the case study team, which is ScienceDirect. The URL as shown above. This is our lecturer, Dr. Fauziah Binti Zainuddin. With this protein and video are prepared by Nazrin, Amirah, Loai, Wardah, and Waleed. Alright, this is actually the interface of ScienceDirect. As you see, it's a very lovely interface. And next, I will show you what is ScienceDirect. Okay, this is what is ScienceDirect. ScienceDirect is a website which provides subscription-based access to large database. Then it hosts over 12 million pieces of content from 3,050 academic journals and 34,000 ebooks. The journals are grouped into 4 main sections, which is physical science and engineering, life science, and health science. Okay, this is my functional requirement, which is searching and download function. Searching able the user to search journal articles, book, and open a content. Download, user can download journal articles or book in PDF file. Then we go to this is the example. You put what keyword, for example, requirement engineering, and you can download by using download PDF. This is the non-functional requirement, which is ease of use. User can click the icon and directly goes to the get started with ScienceDirect. Later we will show you the example. Alright, for example, user can click here what they want to try to search and see what is the getting started or getting help online. Alright, the third is the user interface designs principle, which is I choose is the consistency. The consistent that I mean is the size, type of and size of the font used and position of the menu. Okay, and you see the position. The position of the filter are the same in the others page, and field of the search are same. Next, the API used is the Elsevier Scopus API, which is the expose curated abstract and citation data from all scholarly journal indexed by Scopus. This is the Scopus API name and what it does. For example, abstract citation count API.
Today I will present you all about my part. Okay, for the first is functional requirement. Online help function, this website have many features that are available to help the user. Second one is register account. User can create their own account. If they have their own account, it will be easier for them to access the website. Okay, this is the online help function. Example for the online help function, this is the register account. The user can create their own account with this function. Okay, for the non-functional requirement is speed. When user want to search book, the system work very fast. As we know, this portal website also depends on the internet connection. Okay, user interface design principle. The first one is user guidance. If the user have any problems that relevant to this website, they can click the help button. It will be more easier for them to use this website without any. Okay, this is the help function. If they click on the video, it will be appear how to. For the application programming interface, I choose the Elsevier API. Actually, it's designed to support the full range of the chemistry research, including the pharmaceutical development, environment health, and the safety work, and also the material science. Okay, this is the Elsevier API. It's connected to the Elsevier. Thank you.
Hello, and today we're having a presentation in ScienceDirect. This is me, Loai, and we're going to start with the functional requirements. For the functional requirements, we have a variety of journals and a sophisticated search. We have a variety of journals of physical sciences, engineering, health sciences, and social sciences and humanities, such by subscribing and pay per view. For the sophisticated search, you just go through it and it will give you millions of journals. Requirements, I'm going to talk about usability, which is very easy and satisfies all the users. It guarantees the accuracy and speed from over 2,500 journals and 4 million stocks. So it's just like you type in here, for example, the name of the document that you want to find, and it will be. For the minimal setup price, we have when a user enters his password account wrongly or his email, a text shows that you have entered an invalid username and password. So the system shows that he has to proceed. For an API in ScienceDirect, we have 3 APIs that ScienceDirect cooperates with: Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. They're shown in their website. Just scroll down, and at the end you'll find a button that you press, and you go to Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Thank you. That's for me.
Algorithm full like scientific, technical, and health publication with smart initiative functionality. Alright, and then for the second one, researchers website for who is doing innovation in drug industries or R&D. Okay, this is the example picture of R&D. Okay, we see in our ScienceDirect website. And then for the non-functional requirement, it has 6 properties of most important non-functional. First one, timing. Second one, reliability. Third, safety, security, usability, and maintainability. Okay, for the second part, it is about user interface design principle. My topic is user familiarity. Okay, user familiarity is this principle is sometimes overlooked by software engineers and designers in general, but it is a defining point in user interface. Okay, user familiarity is based on user-oriented terms and concepts rather than computer concepts. And then usability is often related with familiarity by users.
My name is Waleed Alamri. I will talk today about functional and non-functional UI and API for ScienceDirect. Functional requirements. First one is shopping cart. Also, ScienceDirect allows the customers to add as many items as he wants or she can buy for what they all want together. For example, this picture. The second one, remote access. If you are a customer in ScienceDirect, you may able to access our population remotely, as you can see in this picture. Let's move to other part, non-functional requirements. I will talk about security. ScienceDirect uses HTTPS. It's a protocol for source communication over a computer network which is widely used on the other internet. Next, GUI principle. I will talk about recoverability. Recoverability means that system should have some sort of button or commands to return the previous states. For example, here you can add to favor this book, and there you have button to remove it and back to the original state. Lastly is API. ScienceDirect uses monthly API to allow users to upload their web stroke and monthly It's a desktop and web program. As you see here in the picture, you can export from here and choose manually, and this will show for you to sign up or sign in. That's all. Thank you.
For the suggestion for API that can improve the functionality of ScienceDirect, we have three important suggestions. Number one is the Google Drive. So Google Drive user can directly read, write, and sign the files stored in Google Drive from your mobile and web applications that have been scanned for the ScienceDirect and saved in Google Drive APIs. Google Drive now in everyday use, not by the business purpose only, but it really needs to by students to save their important files. So directly you can, from ScienceDirect to the Google Drive, you can just buy from ScienceDirect to the Google Drive store. For the second one is PayPal Payments API. The PayPal Payments adds can you just pay easier and more secure for your payments. Number three is Amazon API Gateway. About Amazon, you just can search for the document that you want to buy. So if PayPal can make an agreement with Amazon, they can agree with each other so that their documents can be searched through Amazon and they can be found easily and bought through Amazon. This is all from us. Thank you so much.